Hello everyone, welcome to WP Commerce, and I'm here today with another video tutorial to enhance the quality of your WordPress website. Every day in our work life, we spend a huge amount of time in front of screens, scrolling and browsing different sites. Spending a huge amount of time in front of screen light can cause eye strain to us. So as a solution for your customer, you can put dark mode in your WordPress website. So how can you add dark mode in your WordPress website? Let's know the easier way. Here you can see light mode is enabled in my website, and I'm gonna set up dark mode using dark loop plugin today. So let's get into the dashboard. From the dashboard, I'm going to the plugin section, and from here I have to find out the dark loop plugin. I'm writing it in the search bar, and here you can see the dark loop plugin is appeared, and I'm installing it. And after installation completed, I will activate the dark loop, and you can see when it is activated I will have it in the right sidebar of my dashboard, and also I can find it in the install plugin section. So I'm gonna click the dark loop option from the right sidebar, and the screen will show me the dashboard of dark loop. Here you can see a few tabs: home tab, advanced setting, color setting, switch setting, image setting, and a few more. When you enter the advanced setting, you will find front-end dark mode option already enabled, and here are a few more options. You can also enable dashboard dark mode option from here. Then you will find an option dark mode as default, which if you enable, then your website will by default have a dark mode always, but if not, then your customers will have a switch to switch between light mode and dark mode when they wish. Then you will find the color setting option, from where you can change the font color, text color, and many other. And yeah, for your information, these all features are for the pro version users of dark loop, and if you want to customize your website in your way, you have to buy the pro version actually. From the switch style tab, you can customize the switch, which will appear on the screen of your customer to switch between the light and dark mode. Here are different styles in the screen. However, you will find only 4 styles available in the free version, and you have to buy the paid version for the others. Also, you have the options to customize the position and other features of the switch. These are the main parts you have to do. There are also some other tabs, you can explore them and find out what you can customize in your ways. For now, I'm ending the customization here, and let's see what changes have happened in my website. And you can see here the bottom right corner, here is a switch which will allow me to change the mode with one tap. You can see it's very easy to apply dark mode in your WordPress website with dark loop plugin. Now it's time for you to apply this in your website. Go for it, make your website more catchy for your customers. And if you want to learn more detail, you can visit our blog site and read the article on this. Thank you.